Welcome you all to the NEET world. We as a team, after looking into NEET 2025 paper, has planned out a unique strategy so that any student can make their NEET 2026 into a grand success. We as a team going to explain the strategy that we are following as per each subject. Let us start with chemistry.
So hello my dear students. So here we are going to announce one of the wonderful session which is very useful for all the NEET aspirants, 12th class students as well as repeaters, as well as even if you are going for 11th, from starting from 11th. So this kind of preparation strategy will be very helpful, and our batch will be the one of the very best batch you can opt for. Okay, so here what we are going in to give you in this batch, we are going to explain that. Okay, so we will be providing live plus online courses, classes, so that will be conducted live, as well as if you are wanted to get a recorded sessions, yes, you will also be getting that recorded videos also. And after that we will be covering in these sessions, we will be covering full syllabus with NCERT plus extra concepts that are required for NEET preparation. Okay, and we will be giving you the very well crafted material. Those are designed by very senior experts of NEET world. Okay, and along with that we will be providing one-on-one mentorship program also. Okay, so now here I will be explaining you. See, these are our target modules we have providing for this NEET preparation. Okay, so we have modules for class 11 syllabus as well as 12 syllabus, which includes the extra concept that are required for NEET preparation. Okay, so now see, along with these modules we will be offering you the free chapter wise test preparation, like mock test we will be providing, DPPs we are providing. Okay, and we will be discussing every question with crystal clear explanation after completing each of those exams. Okay, so this is about chemistry part, and we'll be having physics. Okay, so whatever the course which we are launching, so this will be the very affordable price for each and every student who is aspiring for NEET exam 2026. Okay, so now you can look into physics like pattern also. Our physics Vignesh sir will be explaining you about physics preparation strategy. Okay, come sir.
Thank you, sir. So in physics, we have designed a particular module for the 10-month course for the NEET upcoming for 2026. So as we have planned, we have divided the chapters, 11th class into 4 modules and 12th class into 4 modules. So each modules, for each lessons, after every concept, there will be DPP, that is daily practice paper. And then we'll have NCERT beginner, NCERT achievers and NCERT excellence also. So after every lesson, there will be exams. Like for 2 weeks there will be a FT exams. After 2 FT exams there will be a DP exams also, like CT exams also. Okay, like cumulative test for every 2 FTs. Okay, this will be our modules. So if I say example, like this is a module 1 which is covering like units and dimensions, motion in a straight line and motion in a plane and laws of motion, like kinematics part has been completed. Like then we have taken to module 5, which is in the 12th class, like first 4 module for 11th class and next 4 module for 12th class. So as we are going to discuss with zoology and botany also similarly. Yeah.
Sir, along with FT and CTs, we
Yes.
are also planning for physics and chemistry tests, right?
Yeah, obviously,
So
madam.
that boosts their physics and chemistry numerical part
Yeah.
more and more. And as they practice, they improve a lot and they get
Yes,
perfection
obviously.
in solving all the
Yeah.
questions.
So once the botany and zoology has been completed, there will be a physics and chemistry, like weekly test will be there.
Yes.
It's not only
Where they can
yeah.
exercise each and every concept.
Yeah, obviously. Like
Yes.
from first we'll do the physics and chemistry.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay.
So can you explain about the zoology and botany, madam?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Sir, please. So this is our Ramesh sir, who is zoology master faculty. Both of us will be dealing biology over here.
Yes. Hi guys, this is zoology lecturer. This is Ramesh. Yeah. Guys, we will well designed about the program about 2026 for long term. Okay, it is about online based. Okay, and well designed. This is the study material for based on NCERT for highly productive, and there are MCQs based on trends following need. Okay, Yeah, ma'am, tell what is advantage for this course?
Yes, yes. So after looking into the NEET Biology 2025, where the question complexity is increased, right, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
More of statement-based questions, assertion-reason type of questions, and more of application-based questions are involved or included. So based on that, we have planned a unique crafted modules wherein in each module we are having around 2 to 3 chapters, where in this, after every minute topic, we are having daily practice papers, and each concept is exercised from beginners level to master level after practicing the NEET PYQs also at the end. So along with this, after the completion of each class, we are going to give you all the NEET practice questions with in-depth conceptual clarity. Finally, we would like to reveal this unique program with our unique fee structure, which is affordable for each and every student who is aspiring to crack their NEET 2026. With whatever financial background you have, any financial background students can afford this special NEET Worlds program to crack NEET 2026. I would like to call Vignesh sir and Ajay sir also to unlock or reveal the prize.
Yes, sir. So Vignesh sir, so please reveal the price of this monthly charges for this particular batch.
Yes.
So it's
Yes,
about
guys. So it is 3333 is the cost for monthly fees which we are offering for this particular batch. Okay. So I hope this will be very affordable price for every aspirant who is
Yes.
seriously preparing for this NEET 2026.
Yes. With this 3333, you will get complete online classes and offline classes as well. And with modules as well. Fine. The
Yeah.
module cost itself will be about 10,000. But then looking into keeping all students in the mind that we have crafted this just at 3333 per month, where you can access complete modules and materials and complete sessions of the NEET World.
Yes, yes.
With this, all the team of NEET World, we wish you all to join this program and make your dream a fruitful thing.
And I hope you know that our offline center is at Hyderabad Narayanaguda near metro station. Okay, so if you wish, you can come to visit our branch here, and you can get that full detailed information about this batch and any other details if you are required. So you can come and get this information from us.
Yes,
Okay.
you can contact us on the below number.
Yes.
And there will be one-on-one faculty interaction also
Yes,
if
yes.
you need it.
Yeah.
Yes, one-on-one faculty interaction will be given, and complete counseling which is required for your NEET is completely
Yes,
guided by
guided.
us.
Yeah.
Okay, so we wish you all the best and thank you.
All the best.